In this video, you'll learn how to create a one-column hero banner with a significant amount of content. This process involves utilizing WordPress.com, where you will go through a series of steps to design your banner effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once there, locate the section labeled Sites on the main dashboard. This area will provide you with access to your existing sites or options to create new ones. If prompted, sign into your account to proceed. After logging in, you will see your website management options clearly displayed. Next, look for the button labeled Create with AI. This option is typically found prominently on the dashboard. Clicking this will initiate the AI site building process, which will lay the foundations for your new hero banner setup. A loading indicator may appear as the AI prepares to assist you, which may take a moment depending on your internet speed. After the AI has finished loading, a message will appear guiding you through the next steps. You will see a prompt titled, "Make a website as unique as you." This is your cue to begin customizing your banner. Carefully read each message as it provides essential instructions on how to proceed with your design. The next action requires you to type in the phrase, "Create a one-column hero banner with lots of content." Enter this in the designated text box. Once you have entered the text, confirm your input by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. You should see a brief loading animation indicating that your input is being processed. Following this, a new step will prompt you to type in any choices given above. Carefully review the options and select the one that best fits your design vision. Again, press Enter to confirm your selection. The system will acknowledge your input and may display a loading indicator as it processes your request. As you continue, you will encounter additional prompts asking for your site's name, tagline, and other details. For each prompt, type in the requested information and press Enter to proceed. Ensure that your entries are accurate, as these will reflect in your hero banner. If your internet connection is slow, be aware that these confirmations may take longer. Once you have filled in all necessary details, look for the button labeled Create My Site. Clicking this will initiate the final steps in setting up your one-column hero banner. A message will appear saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is currently generating your content. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your design, this process may take some time. During the generation phase, you may see messages indicating that the system is working on your request. Be patient, as this step can take a while, especially if your design includes a lot of content. It is important to avoid navigating away from the page until the process is complete to ensure all elements are properly created. Once everything is ready, you will receive a confirmation that your site has been successfully created. This confirmation may include a preview of your new hero banner, allowing you to see how your content has been displayed. At this stage, you can further customize or edit your banner as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.